Hi, my name is Christabelle, CBS DIY Specialist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the AFL Hurricane Panel Kit on your windows in 3 easy steps. Proudly manufactured locally by CBS Bahamas sister company Aluminum Fabricators Limited, these shutter kits offer affordable protection, are reusable and easy to store. These panels are made from .050 gauge aluminum, and the header and studded sill have a long-lasting powder-coated white finish. The listed size is for the appropriate window. The kit comes slightly larger to properly accommodate the window opening. The panels have a mill finish and are certified to Florida Building Code to offer superb protection and peace of mind. Before we get started, please know that this video serves as a general overview on how to install these storm panel kits. Installation varies from house to house, but if you have questions regarding your specific application, the team at CBS Bahamas will be happy to help out. For the purpose of this video, I will be installing this shutter over a 74 by 38 inch standard window in a traditional concrete house. For installation, you will need a hammer, tape measure, drill, and a bubble level. The panels come with the H header studded angle sill, as well as the drive-in fasteners to secure the header and sill, and wing nuts to fasten the panels to the sill. We recommend wearing safety glasses and work gloves during the installation process. First, you'll need to install the H-track at the top of your window. It should extend no less than 3 inches past the window. Secure it to the house every 6 inches with a 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch drive-in fasteners. Next, install the studded angle sill below your window. Fasten it every 6 inches with drive-in fasteners. Lastly, slide the first hurricane panel into the H-track. If the fit is tight, just add a bit of lubricating grease to the top. Secure the panel on the studded angle sill with washered wing nuts. Overlap the next panel with the first and continue until the window is covered. And that's all there is to it. With these shutters, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3 to protect your home from storms. Don't let hurricane season creep up on you this year. Visit us at CBS Bahamas so we can help you build beautiful.